Welcome back to Talk Up TV. One. And you don't know somebody at the bad spot.
Being there.
They are massive
Grind that.
That is it. So
Ice
guys,
cream and cafe, you see it?
that is it. So guys, you don't know, so we're back with another banger. What the movie name?
Weighing my options.
Part 3.
A two-man one time, you know?
Two-man one time? You know, say.
You have to do
Guys,
so.
gonna stay tuned. Enjoy the movie. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, run over Talk Up TV. One.
A one-man game. Money a one-man do you work, you know? Yeah. Want me try for you? So you say, how you plan to make things work, you know, because ball in your court now, you know.
Ball in my court.
Yeah, brother, as you know, say, like the place them look, let them stack up. So
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
tenant them a deal with the place. You see it?
I'ma go and say gum clean.
Yeah, man, tenant
So-
them a deal. And the grounds man them a work, you see me?
Yeah.
Yes, I.
I just hope you can manage, cause a
Alright.
whole lot of people have collect from me.
Mm.
You understand? Me soon give me list of people them still. You understand?
Oh,
And make
work
you
is
meet
on
them
me.
and get to know them.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Yes.
we have to introduce him to them, because you can't just send him to them. So,
True, cause they don't know him.
alright.
Yeah, and like come there your foot for a long time, you see me?
Everybody know you.
Alright, you see me, I say, brother.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, so. I believe that I best way, so.
I best way, man.
Mm.
Go on and see what, boy.
What you expect me to do that by myself?
Not really, no hustling and bustling with no one. That's what I'm saying.
Hold on, the phone already.
I would have called you now.
My
Understand?
sister.
Your sister. Answer me your advice first.
Hello? Yes, Falan. How you feel left me by myself so long? How me fi tell her which part I work? Falan,
Come, Falan.
a tea you left me for drink, you know? Drink it for tea, did I?
Come back and me soon come. Me can't talk to you now. Me come and talk.
Me drink it already and it wear off. Auntie,
That's why I'm relaxing. Me come. Me kind of busy now. Me soon come and
Me know say I alone me left for yard. You know read your Bible or something. Father God always be a company. Falan, if a tea did I drink the tea, at least gas won't take you up. Me soon come man, you love fretty. You just want neg me, you can't be here for no say me gone out 1 little 5 minutes. And you know. Sister, hear me I say later, when time I come home me talk to you, me soon come.
Brother.
Oh. Chocolate girlfriend, I like how you take care of me, you know.
Virgin does. Chocolate wife.
Go and take care of me,
Yes,
you
how them money? I want me to see out of
Yo,
here.
brother.
Chocolate girlfriend.
Brother, ease up, man. How you talk about?
How them brother?
Ease,
How
yo,
them
ease up,
brother?
man. Yo, brother. I need a long talk with
Yo,
this man.
you know,
Yo,
tell
come
them
on.
say you-
Yo,
you
come
chocolate
go, sir,
left.
brother. Simple, you know, man. Yo, I'm gonna come talk to man, you know. Take care of me, never see me. You hear me, friend?
Tell me now, who them money? I talk about choppy wife. Who them virgin? Especially the one in the purple long pants.
I see me youth when me tell say over one time one party did I keep run our yard and trying to introduce me to the people them a long time now. Them feel say me and him still
No,
there.
listen now.
Listen now.
It sound
You
too strong,
know
man. The virgin they run more too hard, you know. You see that?
because them no know say me and him break up, but remember say me and you know what
Babes, call them right now. Call them right now and tell
But
them.
if you
Say,
call them, I have
See,
no
man, they walk out
connection
there, so
with
call
them,
him,
make
tell him,
the
say,
people
don't-
them go on about them business.
you know like how you
And
go on.
big
You
nose one, you say I know it's hot
know, you know, say me no like how you go on. You see all of
here,
them, you
just
see all of
pack-
them clothes, they want me when go buy an idea. You know, say you just a change my mind, liquor by liquor.
But you say heated. No right in front of you, me tell you it's everything done. Them never did it, so
And the
them
artist
wouldn't know
part
all
of the
of
store,
that.
remember say me no pick a chariot, you know, that
Come
the
on,
artist
man,
part
let
of
me
the
go walk
store,
and
you
go
know.
look for the clothes.
I mean, in a
Just calm
chalala
down
thing, you know.
Just calm down and come on.
Yeah, you know, say me not go really.
Just come on if you have come on. And left
Yes.
that alone, a simple thing.
You
that-
know, you need, you have to go need to make the virgin them know, you know. I'm a serious boy, and I'm a boy with just go to store, go buy my license gun and kill people, you know.
You don't need to do that because you don't come to that. A simple misunderstanding that. I say your head hot.
Remember, say my father dead left whole heap of money give me, you know, man. Me don't have to take up the money and go spend it out for a gun, you know.
Your father dead, are you dead too? Because if you kill an innocent man, police are gonna kill you. Are you
Innocent-
gonna dead at prison?
Innocent
Come on, man,
man,
and
nah,
just calm down
you have
yourself
to go
and
talk
come
to that
on.
virgin that can
You're
threaten me
too
too
hot,
hard,
me
you
don't
know.
know if I too much money you have, make you have one.
Calm down, man. God, that
Man,
virgin.
you should calm down.
Yo, the woman, you're wicked, innit? Imagine. Yo, me do all of this for this a girl that really go cheap on me. You better than tell me say he must see somebody make you know you don't better y'all man, yo.
Yeah,
Bombard star.
I wanna know.
Babes, guess
Come.
what no babes? Me name, you know say me name remember say me have to go for something for me uncle.
So I make her just know your member as we
Just
reach high
just
school.
member.
No, just make me call look first. No, you
No,
know.
me have, we are watching me have to go and beg me carry something go give him little son up and
But
watch
you
it.
promise me say you go buy me clothes in
Me
here,
know,
so.
me know man, but why time now?
Me don't know about no time. A time
See
for
the-
you come by is something for more
After
you
3 now
promise me.
babes and a 4:30 place lock.
So what you try to say?
Come one of that day me buy us.
I wonder if I little vibes are going on this a while ago.
No,
make you
babes,
change your
man,
mind. Me
that-
not fooling now.
That's second and done man.
So
I
all
believe
of
you
a
man.
sudden your uncle just come up and you have to go watch you. I never know about this all along.
That's cool no man, just believe me man. Come and me bring you home
No,
man.
bring me home. No,
Yeah.
you can't go on. Me still a go look for me. I look on. Go on. Me go home by myself.
You sure?
Walk. Yeah, of course, me sure.
You sure say you good?
Yeah, cause me know say I want make you
Yes,
change
me
your
not really
mind.
want
Me
left for you, so
no,
you know,
you can't go on. Me okay. Me still a go look. Go on, man. Go on.
Alright, sorry about that. Yeah.
Sorry about that. You're too thin skin.
Me go call you still in a year, so answer your phone.
Too thin skin for man. When come and buy nice clothes. You find this amount here. That green one, your favorite chocolate uncle one, you see me a while ago and talk about. Hey, Chuck, you don't tell like that. But I buy the monkey and hang up it just you know, say I chop it uncle that. Look at me to chop it around here. Chop it fire. So then look, I know they come make the man go and me a while ago. Like that, I say. You ain't come, you should have make him buy me all the hot there. Should have been paid. That was full of food. King Juan, no business.
Everything good.
Yeah, man. Oh, brother. You know, I didn't even feel so good because I didn't even to like how I say still. But yo, I go on. Yo, you hear me? Go round on me yard, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow, yeah?
So I go on, car.
Yeah.
Maybe I just some. Me nah judge nothing yet.
I kind of feel like we still PC, but
Nah,
I don't
man.
know.
I'm on some friend business. That's
I
it.
can't friends still, you see, we don't say nothing bad. You understand me? I say, but I go on me yard.
All right, bro. Chocolate?
Yeah?
Son?
Chocolate?
Yeah? Is you crying?
No.
Me not go on. Look on. Chocolate on the money there now, man. Chocolate on the money there, non tal.
Sama na ako na siya naman. Iya kasi ni mabang kasi may ano. Hindi man, kasi beli ka na mi ano. Kasi may agua ni easy. Where you come from?
Oh, chap, you look like you were crying in a chap.
I'm a belly man so.
Big man, don't cry, man. You think you're a baby, man?
No man, should be going so milk. The belly a grow so me you know, so me I go
Oh, man, that me, man.
so I sound like a bar me a bar. Where you come from? The road?
Let me ask you. Oh, I'm from the road my uncle come from, you know.
Oh, when you go walk.
Yeah, he just got around here, but you know, say,
I'm if you go link him to you know.
you know, hey, if I tell you what line up, I see your lady, you know.
No, daddy, me no want you no about that yeah, me no content me about me no want you no about no man I know yeah man, you content man about man. Me no want you no about no man I know man, me good man.
How you chat to boy?
Me just say me no want you no about that daddy. I just see that talk about the woman.
Hey boy, shut up your mouth, man. You cannot talk to me. So calm yourself, calm your temper and calm your voice. You talk to me with manners and respect, man.
You know, you just come up with you, man, so that me tell us me now, you
You
know.
said, tap with the voice for me, boy.
Me and her there again. She left me. She left find her next man. I be catch her. You know one boss. Redundant. You know that me no line. She has the one way now.
Me try to show you a sign, you know.
So then you not go show no one a cheat. You never get no one a cheat by head.
What about that, man? That's a long story, man.
You most can.
I don't need to tell
I
you.
don't feel like I would have killed myself. But she
But you
doesn't.
know yourself, man. You understand? Know yourself. But that before, you never get to tell us everything.
No, not tell her.
Well, that good then, man. I fear loss, man. I fear loss. At least you know what is what and you don't run up in that problem in the future. You understand?
I really love her. You never expect this to that one.
You see if something will kill you, leave it alone. You understand? If you know good for you, leave it
I'm
alone.
not even feel like eat. I don't feel like do nothing.
So you don't go for
mash
marriage?
up. I hear somebody for marriage.
That's Christ. You even gonna make some tear or something, man.
I tell you, I don't want nothing to eat. That's how I feel. You sure you don't understand, you know?
You mean, you know? Time. Only time can heal this. You understand? So take some time and forget about her and get back to yourself. But this is the way I feel now. I say it. You understand? You're gonna get over it. At time. Know yourself, boy. There's plenty of women out there. You understand?
You never know, but you don't want no woman. I forget over it. You don't forget over one woman, you know?
Worry yourself, man. Come on, give some tea, man. Get up, man. Get up, man. Jesus.
So I sing, no, we never know them sing that because me tell us if we see it.
I say go, man.
Yeah, I believe. And I kiss them against you know.
Chappy.
Come in. Yeah, him up. No,
Come in.
Me I come.
Couple nights, man. Let me go to say yeah, friend. What do you want? Tell me, tell me. I want to go and meet you, alright? Come on, back, man. Come on, find shit. Find shit. Find shit. Girl.
I want him.
There they are.
Look at him.
Very hard thing.
What thing is one thing?
Oh, you know, say, alright, time you come to. You want you go talk to him or
You don't want that. You don't want that.
What are you to come to?
The girl come to spend some with your friend, come to spend some time with you.
Tomorrow, we want
Hello,
to do
listen to me, man. Alright, time you come. I hear he need little. As a matter of fact,
Alright, man, I'm going to go.
really. Yeah,
We're going to have a
well,
one.
I'm not teach. You're supposed to have money chat. If you want, go buy one tea, man. Buy a drink of tea, man.
Man, I'm
Come
going
out here, you're in a yard for a man, man. Get out the house.
Daddy, me no want
Get out
go.
the yard, man.
Me no want go, daddy.
Hello.
Me no want
So
go.
where you going,
No,
sir?
me no want go.
You want me to tell her your business? Eh?
No, right, me I go.
I want to go.
Come.
Don't worry yourself.
Alright,
You
come,
just go and, you just even come out of the yard, man. For a man, the boy in the yard, I'm going to like him and some little picnic. Yo. Sure. Why? I learn, man. At time do everything, you know.
Me I play Candy Crush, me a master, you know. I want to upload me a gate too.
Yes, I want you today. He looks so busy.
Hey, you can come.
Yes, you can come.
Hey, boy, I tell you, sister.
I drive you driving now. I first me see you walk out.
Hey, you know, see your sister was a real bad bargain.
What she do you?
Imagine me and her go out and me see two virgin pass.
You sound hot. Come on,
like
come
him a say, chop lad, baby, or my brain, me don't even know.
What she a do? Tell me. Get to the point.
Man, they say chop lad woman, so it kind of the ring in a maid.
I said
like-
she a go on.
Yeah, she went there with one man named chop lad and it's like, she said done and me and man I know. Me I only
So a lie she tell you. Me would tell her no lie now?
Tell her, no, sister. Your sister wicked, you know. The amount of money want me have to spend on her, you know.
You can't change your mind.
She just a take me for fool.
Change your mind.
Right now, follow.
The sun hot. Come out of your sun. Can't take care of you, you know.
Well, you know, say me kind of depend on a little move.
No, come in.
Depend on.
Relax yourself. Me take care of you. Me didn't know me stay on me yard, you know, come in. Me no want buck up this again, I know where, you know. Go on, where you going to walk on corner yard, me?
So girl, I'm dear, what you mean by that? I'm dear.
So why you have to look for me? So where you corner yard and look for me with your
So
bad
when you
eye
take
for?
and see me girl, if I did hold the head straight, you wouldn't see me
Then
girl.
me
Where
did I
attitude
look for
for?
you with a bad eye?
Of course you look back, girl.
Who
If
they
you
look for you with bad eye? Go on which party they go?
Girl,
Go on.
talk your mind,
And so
girl.
when you they look problem, you walk and stare down people.
Girl,
you know.
talk your mind. Can
Me
you come
fi
like
talk
you
my
want?
mind.
But you have something to say.
No,
Get it
you
off your
have
chest.
something
Let's
to
talk
say.
about
You
it.
have something to say because it look like you have something to say and you're afraid to say it, so you just stare me down.
I boy,
Look
have you
here.
over?
Have you up over
No, I
which
must be boy. Look
Which
at that boy from your enemy
boy?
already.
Which careless boy? And you know a good thing why me feel shame of myself in this situation is for no say the type of concubine where I put himself with and they come try to mix with me. That is the only thing me feel away about right now, girl.
Send me out. I mean, I want, hey, I told me have it back. I
No,
want you
put on
want,
it
girl.
back.
No,
Put
I
on it
want
back.
you want.
Put on it
No,
back.
you must
Put
sit
it down.
Girl, go on, girl.
Girl,
go on.
no, I know that.
Me
Touch
not
me
fight
now.
over no
Touch
man.
me.
Me
No,
not
we
fight.
don't fight over no
Girl,
man,
you
but
know
we are
what
defend
team.
ourselves.
No,
Touch me,
no,
you
I'm
touch me.
not gonna do
And I
this,
broke
like-
up every bone
like,
in you.
that's gross. I'm
Every
not
bone in you, me that broke up you, they walk like say you're bad. But you they come corner here. When you see me down corner here, you look for me. I'm not playing with people, you don't that. Sometimes I just scam, but I want me choose in a life still, you know. I want me choose, but me there, the way option, me pick till me pick fat.
Upon a hand of the plans, so me have to be ashamed. And everything I got right, nothing I miss. Father, I'll give me somebody vocation, change up here and put Fimi and Fear name on it. And she really do me this. So this can't be real. Me no like this here, so woman done.
Why? Expensive touch them there now. If we didn't know.
If you didn't know, you know sitting here for go a long time.
It's better than expensive, so
Yeah, man. Right now, done.
we can
man,
keep it a
done.
secret, you know.
Yeah.
Come put
happy
on
with
your
that.
shirt, cause the last time I talked to my sister, she said she soon reach.
She can't stay where she there, man. She alright, man.
No auntie, come here, come catch you.
Eh?
Come put on your shirt, put it in your hand.
No, man, I done. Me go done with her, you know. I mean, man.
And take me.
No wrong, really
You
wrong.
can tell
with
her
that.
brawling.
I mean, man, me
Put on
can't
yourself
the
clothes.
share woman with different man.
Cause when you see, you can't rub out, you know. I wish you
Yeah.
can't rub.
I know long me I talk to her and come over here, eh? Come like a long time me have to come over.
Yeah, talk about that.
See when me put the condom paper.
No. Oh, Jesus.
Trying to make
You didn't use none. You know, they on the bed in a drop a ground.
School, man. That's
Where you
school.
go? Me?
No, that's cool no. I just want I not so easy, man. That's cool no, man. I want liquor bus when they on it, man. No worry yourself, man. You not
No
breathe.
people happen to so.
No, you not breathe so easy, man. No worry yourself, man. None no going on you, man.
Hey, if you do have me, you stand responsibility, you know.
You so I'm here, man.
Remember, say you're rich.
You deal with me good, you know. Cause you're hot. Oh, nice. That's cool, there, man. She
I
not
didn't have one ever tell Shayna say.
Let me look for her, bro. She right now. This with her, man. Me have my money, me can't do anything. Just keep it a secret.
Alright. Put your number in on my phone so.
Hold on, don't hold on, calm down, no, man. Just calm down, man. What you worry about? Me have lots of cash, man.
Me think me
have
just
plan for you, you know.
me just think that me did just go like just reminisce about what happened now. Me I go reminisce about two things.
Worry yourself.
Plus you.
That's cool, no,
And
babe.
myself make 4.
She now want headache it, you know.
1, 2, 3, 4. Enough of with that, you know.
Me can buy pram, baby feeding, nappy, nipple backer, everything. Don't worry yourself, man.
I mean,
got
not dash
cash,
on the
man.
belly.
No, me no want you do that.
Fanan!
Do that.
Fanan!
Is the here a who?
Fanan, open the door.
Open it.
Open it before me kick you off. I want to go on in here, so.
And come and ask him that him son hot and him come in for shelter it.
Water, remember say water for chewing a radiator.
His son hot and he come in
Me
to
a put on the
shelter
road.
it.
Me a go. Remember say
So
I
you're
tell
right,
you, me a go
Oi,
watch it.
why
Is that
you?
you blowing?
Stop it nice, let me talk to him and you.
Shey,
Why you
listen,
let him in here?
Remember say me tell you say me a go
Sister,
watch you.
he
And me
come
find
to
the
complain
overeat.
for you. He
You
come to
find the
complain
overeat
for you.
and little
And me tell him
water.
say you not do that. You not do nothing like that. You not
No,
do him
no,
nothing. You
gossip.
not hurting.
Stop here,
You
black
not
man.
hurting feelings or anything.
Fanan, you no lock up in. Me know you.
He started a blowing, sister.
Me and your sister, but me know you, you know.
Sister,
what?
The sun when I blow in and I call her forget look water.
One fool makes many. Because listen, sun no blow,
I'm
a
say,
breeze blow.
come shelter.
Shut up and let me tell you something. Me and him go for one little shopping. And just to one little vibe go down. Him left.
She come complain
This
about now.
is the watchy where you left. Say you there go carry your uncle and pick up your uncle and do whatever for your uncle. Every liar is a thief. Come out, come in and want a thief, me want a jug. First of all, you should have in here, come never invite you here. Me never invite. Come out of me house.
This is another night.
Come out of me. Come out of me, sister. Come out of me and my sister, please. Come out of here.
Sister, no fight him.
Hey, me push him out because if I went, hey,
Sister, no fight him.
hey,
Fight him hard,
if
sister.
I went chopping on you, you buck me more.
And anything I'm going to, you know.
Come out of me and my sister house.
Alright.
Let go and go on, you know, because we don't want nothing to
Come on. Come back on your easy. I try not even.
Make him go on, your sister. He come to complain about you.
Why come tell us about me?
Bring no belly hurt me.
Why come tell us about me?
He say, see how long so with one man when him chop and somebody tell him say a chop lad and he upset. And that.
Some man we wicked and lie just because he have his money. Falan, me and him they cool out. And you see, chop lad have one uncle where he knows big. You see, so he knows big. I saw he knows in a people business. Listen now. He man chop paper. They pass and see me outside when you call me on the phone. That's why sometimes I like when we gone over.
But he not tell you no lie right now. He not tell you no lie. I mean not tell no lie
He
either.
tell me lie. Me and the man grow on a store and he say, he just remember say, he go do something for your uncle at Ochi. See Ochi here, I hope you get Ochi.
I pass what you will say I'm going to look like and see you and tap and complain to me boy.
So you're a problem solver.
No, I don't mean a problem solver. Him just come mad, pull up.
Me no like the idea for
Run
you
out.
to lock up in here. Falan, me always notice you know. You always dep on the side. I bet if I went chop lad this evening, you turn over and the bed just to make chop lad come out. And me I say, Falan, help me push him out. You nah help.
So left him if you want left him then.
Oh. When me left him, no say 40.
Me never say if you left him.
Me see what
Me
you
say
up
if
to.
you want left him.
You know what me
Come
I
here, tell
mean,
us I know do nothing. And all of me I tell us say keep him, talk to him, make him be the one. And now as me say something you say me, for me get him.
He not fi come here if me not in.
You never tell me that. You never tell me
He
that.
not fi come here and me not die here.
So how when he pull up and give me matches at the gate? Why has he come over one time a problem?
He could have went here, I get why am I doing here? I don't know
And
what he do.
Me say son.
You see you Falan, anything you run down you go get in her. That's why you encourage me all the while say, take a rich man because you realize say, when me take a rich man go come here so come look for me so in the closer to you, for you get to seduce him, but anything he do me shall do you too.
He never did nothing.
And first things you know make me
He never did nothing.
Falan, me not like this because see that me tell Chapman.
Now you say you weighing your options. You say you weighing your options. You remember that?
But at the same time,
So how you
I
blame
try
me?
to listen to you. Cause you're a bigger sister and through your auntie say take a rich man. Me say alright, me kinda have less interest in a chapel and see it now. We no lock up in a house and about the shelter.
Well,
Sunday
they say
more.
what stay too long serving another man, but me know say it's not me.
Know yourself, you're going to buck your tour. You're going to buck your tour. You hear, Falan? You shall buck your tour.
You live in a rent house, you know, so that means...
Me not live in
No,
neither.
remember, not throw me out. I'm not tell nobody go over more for no bed.
You tell me go over more on the bed. And you make sure, say, you see us from tonight, Falan. Mark your line with me, come here, watch you. Me, they watch you and that, the rich
You should
man,
be in
you're
action.
up to sitting. You're up to sitting. Normally, you're that open door, why like you talk? Lord, I say, yeah, and take message, but
So me not answer you.
you lock
Me
up door
answer
and
you,
in,
no.
you open up and take messages.
Sister, he was outside first.
Sister, I was
He come in the yard.
Okay.
He run, come in bird speed.
Him a man and him a lion. That looks so sad, good.
Good, man, just wait for him to come back.
So, how you pass these years? Because a long time we not really communicating and nothing like that.
Well, past a few years be different. Part of the subject them. The brother want to go to college, because I want me to tell my father, so I not go to college. So I just take on the street. Me
So,
can't,
yeah.
you know.
So you have to for yourself now.
I don't have nothing planned. Just I go and live. And see
Live?
every day. Yeah.
So
That-
Chappy, you mean to tell me say you're not planning to move out to your father's place?
No? So me go live. Let them go and live with my father.
Like seriously?
Yes.
So we your girlfriends about all of this like yeah, living in your father's place, none of like a privacy or anything. So you can't do one spot around and say.
No, so me go and live with my father. No, I live with no man, no.
So how you and your girlfriend these past days?
I don't want to talk about it. Very true, I don't want to talk about it. Forget that. Just talk about something. I don't want to talk about that.
But why?
Because I don't want to talk about it. I just don't want to talk about it.
So I can ask you the next question, right?
If I want my girlfriend, I don't go and sign up.
I don't
Tell
know.
us I don't want to talk about it, so don't ask me about that. Ask me about something else.
What your father did talk about one time with their
My father?
Yeah.
My father talk about personal business. But I'm
Personal.
going to tell my personal business when my father talk
Well,
about.
your father seems like he did want to tell me something. That not seems personal. So what the problem?
Me and my girlfriend left. I may tell my father. See there, you get it?
But just a while ago, yeah.
Yep. You get it when we left. Me catch him a cheat for me.
Wow.
And me just call it a day.
Well, you have to be careful who you put your trust in stills, because not everybody you can trust.
But you're not going to know until you know. Because a
All
nice
of
girl,
it.
she treat me nice and everything. Make she alright and you never know so this would happen. Eventually.
Well, to be honest, I'm really sorry so that happened to you. Because
As my father said, it's a lesson. Go get over it, so one day everything goes better.
Yeah.
So we have to just live on.
for me, help I get over it, well, no problem.
Yeah, man, you go help me up, man. Like, I never want to know still, you know. Just catch me a cry. You don't want to know. That's what we get from me.
But you skip past for me, I said, I can help I get over it.
No, man, my father can't help me, man. You're good, me don't want you take
How
up the
your
stress.
father? No, I'm take up stress.
Is a
Come
man,
on.
is a man that help a man more?
Chappy, me
than
know
a
your
female.
friend. Listen, a man would help a man more.
You know what I mean already. You can't talk to no woman about my problem. I talk to my father. I'm not trust someone again, you know. I just so me reach. If you tell the truth.
Oh, God. Chappy, listen. I'm going to come listen. Yeah. You know, if you say you not trust no woman, you know me for years
But
now,
listen,
right?
listen up. Listen. What I do right now is start focus on woman and I'm going to start focus on myself.
So
I
that's...
start put myself first.
But I never tell us you can't put yourself first. Remember they tell us to put me first. But did I say that?
You? How you reaching at this?
Chappy, stop going like you don't know something like that.
Yeah, Brittany, me your friend from day one. If I go in a relationship with friendship going done, and I don't want that to happen.
Relationship,
So better we just stay
friendship.
as friendship.
Come on, Chappy.
Come on, but it better that way there. Because if I go in a relationship and you break my heart, we going done.
So it's a sure me gonna break your heart. Chappy, just give me a chance. Trust me, me not go fail you. You know me for
Listen.
years now.
Years, right? Me a good friend.
We are
And
good
it's,
friends.
and it's still a go on, though.
See me,
and
if you tell me,
nothing
say I
happen.
have a ounce of feelings, see me? That you tell me?
Friends, that's friend. Me rate it like a friend level, but a relationship level, me don't want to put it there so no. And worse, me I go through this and everything go happen. Yeah, me have to hurt on myself.
Chappy, listen, drink some juice. Cause it seems like I need
No, me no really want. No, me no.
too.
No, me no really. Me no hungry. Me good. But this is what me I say. Yeah, clean. What me I say? Me a friend for years. Me like you as a friend. And if we go in a relationship now, everything gonna crash. And no, right now,
How it a go crash?
listen. I know me hurt. It going worse. So let me work on myself first and think about it.
Well, you can take all the time you want because I'm gonna be here.
Good.
And nobody feel like say you're gonna go on our next relationship because if you do that, at the moment foolishness are gonna start.
Yeah, get me.
No, because me dey here wait how long and you go choose somebody else over me, you know work Chappy.
Because I'm your friend.
We are friends, me back now. I'm gonna come back because I want you. And you can't tell me say you go get somebody else we don't know. So wait, they rather go talk to somebody where you don't know more than talk to me. But as me say, I'm not gonna win me there. Remember that. I mean I can look for you tomorrow and the other day. Go straight back until you say yes. So I
So
must...
remember look you just come me out every day.
Well, basically, they can say they'll go back from them kind of. So,
You ready? Number you have to go. Come on. See you tomorrow, yeah?
same I think you can walk with me?
No, I'm going to go halfway. Let me go on.
Okay.
This lace wig is lacy, you know. So long you have your sister. Hurry up, come me hungry. And be not because me I be get son every day. More me there and more me bad for hungry.
Lord, Fallon, you can't say your prayers.
Prayer. No say prayer can't full belly, but when a belly you have to pray before you eat and eat and after you eat you pray. Me not have nothing to pray over for eat.
Boy, hey, Mr. Fallon, something tight and liquor like a mustard seed, you see out. Yo, right now that girl better go to doctor, you know. I wonder if she a breed. Hey, let me give her a call, cause hey, she didn't even know, you know. The girl sitting tighty. Oh God, me have to tell her my mind, you know. Yeah.
Fallon, your
Yeah.
phone a ring, or since when you have phone a ring, would they call up on phone?
I must mommy a call me. Mommy. A mommy.
Look at my phone, mommy always a call.
Come on, Fallon, answer the phone.
How happened?
What's up, baby?
I'm here. Live and live in colors.
Why am I not telling no line up, Fallon? You're so tight. You're virgin. I wonder if your name Virgin Mary, I mean, I know.
Hey, man, don't give me heart problem. Please, man, don't give me heart problem. Cut long story short, man. Jesus Christ.
You know, see, I done more and done with Shane and just take you up in the life fully.
Me know when you're done with my sister yet. I can't, me want you to make it up.
She a cuss me, you know. She
Fallon.
just text it for me, so she a blame me for everything.
Come back here, come make it up with her, please. And we keep it on the down low.
I can't work with that, but watch you know. I want some more or something, you know. You see me?
Me never say no.
Remember me have a mansion, you know, you can squeeze, you can look for me, you know. You see me?
And the cars.
Yes, don't worry about that, honey.
Oh wait, Fallon say a mommy call. Then if a mommy call, Fallon I could have stay in her house and talk to mommy on the phone and make me hear what she say. If I even just put it on speaker. Because when she a carry news, she no can news straight. Don't come tell me no about mommy said this and mommy said that.
So, what you suggest me should do?
Just talk to her.
So you're not gonna feel a way when me come and check her and so?
Nobody get into her too much.
Tell her what she want here. Make it calm down. Because she a cuss me, you know. And to me guilty, me just feel guilty. Me just not look in her eye deep. Can't do it. Boy.
Watch what we go do. We go play the game, right? And we go play the game, right? And play the cards, right? Yeah? So
Yes,
me
nobody make me catch no feelings, no. I just say no.
no, me I go come round in the yard, man. Everything good, man. You see me?
And nobody when you come, nobody get me get nervous.
Alright.
Nobody look for me too hard.
But listen, you see your phone? More you save my name as Joe. Here? Don't save you as Nick, right? Just save, save you as Joe because you know say she know my number, but once she the name Joe, she not go pick up say my number. So just you know what I mean?
Still have to put couple hearts there, you know.
Okay.
Fall in love, you know.
You just have me a reminisce, you know that way there.
Me too.
Alright now you make me something that moving on my pants right now.
I'm hear me a pop out of my head. Alright.
They are go chewy.
Alright. Love you, baby. Talk to you later.
Love you too.
Alright, bye-bye. Shut your God, man. Yo, I want some more, man. Oh, God, man. Hey. Shut your God.
Ball know me a sweat. What?
Well, I know you that.
Yeah,
Hey, where's your sister then?
she the inside.
You make me have this today.
The school now.
Oh, you say she inside?
Yeah.
Alright.
You know some more spare more happy. Just do it right.
The school no man, I something good, my name want to come. My sister, my name want to come out. China!
Take them talk now.
What happened?
What you do here?
I'm there, I go and chill out, I go and see me, I come look for you. What's up?
So why cost you that now? What make you come look for me?
You know, say, where
You don't
there?
have to come down further.
No, man.
Awa. So we are, maybe there your space.
Me have a little surprise, man.
I escort him to you.
Where there, when kind of busy, man. You know, when kind of buy something for you when you want. And I go chill out somewhere and relax. And, you know, we can talk over this.
That's true. Situation hot.
Yeah, man, I feel no way.
You buy
man.
fan for cool down situation.
Yes, sir.
I'm buy something
Sister,
for you
look.
too, you know. Yeah.
It'll mean you're good.
Sister,
me tell
I buy
you.
something for you too, you know.
Thank you.
Oh, come they just go say where my sister was.
No, no, no,
Nice,
we can
pretty.
chill
You
out
like
and
Yeah, bling bling.
my sister can have a drink and we're there so as a friend, you know.
Can I catch me ex still enough?
No, not really. Not really say catch, but you have to understand, say, yo,
calm down
I
little
love
bit.
you, man. See, you look nice.
Yeah, thanks. Sister, you want? Make we go up on the road and go talk, cause as much as I give sister one little gift a while ago, I not want shit in our business and if I mean tell her.
Alright.
No disrespect, sister.
You don't mind your business either.
Remember,
Take your
say me
space
have
where
your
you want.
under watch. Remember?
No, put up on 24 hour.
Me no want him too. Me no want you too busy. Yeah,
No, 48.
Me not trust you and my sister none at all.
Can't go on and me soon start get all of them the gift them. You soon start get no gift at all and me get all of the gift them.
I'm me get you know about.
No, no, man.
Why you not lift me up and put me in there too? Lift me up and put me inside our bus. I make up your make up back to you. So do everything you want to get me.
Oh my god, I see you heavy. Hold on. I'll go stay here one. Why, babes, me know I had to pray me and your sister, you know. Because when you see me her there, you know, you me really come about, you know. But me really have to talk to her and ask her if you are the kind of type of girl, you see me?
You know, you can't tell me what to free. Me free what I want free. So even though you see me come with you, me still have it in my back of my head said. Me just not trust me and watch you
just
closely.
please, even though I not do nothing, more you forgive me, you see me? I'm more you broke up your folly grounds, you see me? Because I look like you have a lot of grounds to cover, you know.
You
I'm
want
going to
me?
help you cover them, you know. You see me?
Look here.
Because I see it say you want help in a yard, you know. Yeah, man, 9 months. I want to make some baby that will run up and down in your belly. You know. You want me to say son baby, a twin me a plan for gay, you know. You feel a joke?
You have to straighten out your things, cause with your
I think
if a baggage them,
I
you know,
think straight like a arrow, man, but I just you more have to do the right thing, man. Right, that's how I do it. I know. Nice cool spot this.
Let me ask you something.
Drink off the whole of this. You
A
must
regular you come around here so with girl.
come like a junk, you junk. I
Junk.
first time I come around so you know see a random drive we a drive man I end up around so.
This no look like a random turn off to me. This look like a usual thing.
Look funny fun yet, eh? Oh man, come out of the bus man and cool long man. Nothing to be afraid man. Jamaica our place man. You worrying about?
I'm not afraid but me I say out of all that place and you have your money. And you choose to come ends up in a bush.
I'm not telling you like a brawling more and pretty out of on the bus front, you know.
Where me?
You know drink as much man. It's cool man.
Listen what me I say now, listen now.
I hear you, what you say.
No brawling spread out can go on out there so you know bush. You have your money better. You take me back inside that bush. Me nah do nothing out here so coupon people out there. Who you take me for?
Don't worry yourself man. I tell you say you don't worry about nothing man. I'm telling you say you see that girl there.
don't want you to free that girl.
You know what you tell me about no girl right now?
No, but me have to explain myself because me know you feel like say yo, me still in love with her. That girl and just she come like you want devil in my life. You see what I mean?
You can't tell me anything. Right now you're devil for
Yes,
have me
me a
out
nice
there.
man.
Yeah, me fit in our bush. Me you smell so nice and there in our bush. Can me go back in our bush?
So man, alright, that's what I want to man. Yes, sir.
Let me see you take it right now, so cause me nah give you out here, so me I go back in our bush. You go out harder.
So in our bus.
In our bush, me I go back and you have your money, can spend your money. Please, go in our bush.
Now wind up the glass. Here.
Girl. The number one trending girl. Independent girl. Real number one trending girl. Girlie. Hello. What? From class days, me not see you. What go on?
No, girl, I hear it's me not see you.
Jesus. Me did pass, you know. Me know say you have to pass.
No, oh God, of
Flying
course.
colors, me girl.
Right, girl. No, girl,
Oh, you up now?
Good morning.
Jesus.
See you.
You look good though.
God, no, girl.
So we up to now.
You know, say when I'm expired, my dog go back, I'm going to go back to some clothes. I'm left from there, because you know when you're boy left and you don't want to leave your clothes them there. Yeah, them something because I don't want
me?
dirty girl them
You
there.
don't leave jazz, you know. If you wet, me put in my pocket.
That's, you know, I go for something.
You see, I'm coming for me, I don't know if I grow up female.
No, because we have to catch up. Look how long we not see.
And then, I'm tell my sister boy, you know, but then my sister can't know, you know.
God, see, I know, girl. Look how long we not see.
Come on.
Come on, girl.
Jesus chosen. God is good. All the time.
Right, true.
Come on. Enough catching up we have to do, you know.
So when you come on the road for me.
Boy, my brain just stress out and it come like say the depression attack me. I mean, don't know what come to bother me or some postpartum something or some disorder or some me don't know what they call it, something them this be foreign disorder them.
No.
Them.
No.
So I just go and buy one bottle of water and fi drink and me a walk and I talk to myself a little bit, you know.
No.
And me say, you see me before me see you, cause me face down in my phone. Anybody could have licked me in my head back.
Girl, I God make me see you. I say me did not go to the yard to the clothes for me look a dirty boy, but guess what? My God, me see you, we go catch up. Come in like my friend, I go, you know how much years we don't see you, girl.
I'm glad you see you, but some clothes, a nice clothes, I mean, where you want back?
No, sir. No, girl.
My sister gone with her man from morning.
Yeah.
So me can talk around there. Yeah, you know.
Catch up and something.
Yeah.
Girl, we need to talk, girl. Because I tell you, true, I don't want to lift my clothes enough, lift your clothes anyway, you know.
Don't trust people.
No, so that's why I didn't want to go fit. I'm not going to wear it, but I didn't want to go for my clothes.
Yeah, but
girl.
lime and salt them when I get them. Wash them out, see them out, do them, wash them out.
You see the girl with
Trust
the boy
them.
No, the girls don't like me, and you know, see a cross.
You see me a detective, you know. When me go a man yard, you know, me make sure say me look at me falls here.
Everything.
Cause me know say a lace wig me wear, you know.
So we are scope down the house, we are dig it down.
And me look him at check his ear brush.
Come on, girl, have a lot to check.
Come on, you're chosen. Girl. Come on, everything I like. My yard. It's damn hot. The bottle of water can't even cool me down. I pass much shop, should I buy you one drinks? Well, the pipe, the day you can full your gut there. Just slam me like easy, as automatic, you know see?
A self-lock.
Yeah. Come on, welcome to my home. It's
Nice, girl, nice.
festive.
I like
It's a jungle over here.
I love it, girl. Country style.
Yes.
You know the birds sing every day, chirping and stuff. No, nice, girl.
They sound very well. Wait, let me get one chirp here, yeah, because they're house hot, you know.
I truly time for
Time hot.
Yeah.
You sit down on, no, you are a visitor, sit down on the good one.
Yeah.
You sit down on the rock back. Can rock back your back one, this man the back, it broke.
Mr. Girl, a good thing me see and stop, girl.
Come look closer.
Mm.
So, You still go for you, but I think boy clothes them, you know.
No, sure. I'm glad I come. Right now, I forget all the clothes. I'm glad I
Boy, school days is nice.
Nice thing.
The little trip at that little college was nice.
Guys know I will learn enough things, girl.
What?
Remember the broad back? Remember the broad back, turkle back, girl?
Yes, and the little fat sour power one.
And look how she gets steam.
She could have eat and sleep in her class.
And look how she gets steam like me and I did one big thick girl.
Like you want to do liposuction.
Something right.
Some suction go on.
Girl, right now, I'm not like, I'm glad some left the dirty boy, you know. I'm not like, I miss the good treatments look I want for the boy to take care of me, you know. But the boy just changed all of a sudden, girl. Man, I really try to cross it, you know, especially when they have them things, you know.
Yeah, and then you see, you really want to go for your clothes and what I do?
Look it on, girl, because I feel money by them and I don't want
so
them
rich
to,
then.
Rich boy, having money,
You
girl.
know what me would I do? I will tell you what you feel do. Can also relationship pop off. Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
And if you don't text you high and look buy and look something. And you know you're going to go like you know want answer. But still go for your clothes them. And if you have money, let me tell you something. Tell him say you're breed. Tell him say you're breeding. Tell him say you're breeding. Not better life plus belly.
Twin.
Yes. To that.
That twin in the family, you know.
Tell him say you're breeding. Collect little money from him. So if the relationship are broke up, and even when it pop off and done, you don't feel so bad.
I save and put it to use.
Save the money.
Drop me like a
Where
girl,
I rent? Oh, so to on rent?
I did feel girl in have money like
Feel
I didn't have
us, so much weight
houses.
you know on a house. That's when you don't collect money from him under Sykes, you can rent house and pay in the back rent. And him no left you stranded, girl.
Girl.
That no sound better.
Not all like. Great idea, you know, girl. Great idea. Better yet, you know what I gotta do? You call him and go like me a ball, girl. You know me, I call him and go like me a ball. Instead of friend him up, me I call him and go like me a ball. And you know him want to see how I him up, I'm more concerned.
Tell him.
Then girl, I tell him say I'm pregnant, girl.
I send no text, call him for true.
Yeah, me tell him say I'm pregnant, girl. Tell him I'm pregnant now, you know what you gonna know.
That is a great idea.
Time I want to go and cure or something, girl.
Tell you it's a great idea.
Yes, it's a good idea.
I best idea.
Yeah, girl.
I best test one.
Tell the boy. Yeah.
Oh, you can't let him go so easy after I feel like you want to prepare him job before you job pay.
Boy, move on with girl in bright.
No, make it turn with the girl go on.
Me pregnant. Right,
yes, you're pregnant. Girl not breathing, you're breathing.
Pregnant.
And if the girl come on, if the girl didn't go on her way, I say, girl, girl say, can, but Obama say, yeah, yes, we can. Can you breathe?
As a baby mother.
Out of order. Huh? Me say, if you out of fight, you fight her, and I say, you want to deal with the thing.
No, girl, I'm fighting now and go on. I tell the boys, a great idea, bring up, girl.
Me say, deal with it.
Right.
I mean, no, you can't carry it. You can't. You
Girl,
can't
me can't pull it off. Me can't pull it off, girl. Not easy, maths, girl. And I'm a fall feet, you know. So, girl, what kind of man and sister there with now?
Girl, I'm a rich man, my sister have.
Nice boy, I'm cute or I'm ugly or
Cute, you man. I look good, somebody. Dress good, shoes clean.
When you call cute, but I must call cute, fella.
Yeah, you man nice. You think I talk to Zutupe?
Wait, what you mean by you, girl?
Girl, my sister, mistake me make.
Oh.
I think so my sister shot to ugly man.
We'll see what I'm going.
Turn on the fan.
You know what? Yeah, use your head.
Me, they use my head. No, sir. Wife, you're talking.
Listen, you
I
know,
don't
say
do
when
that.
I go in a heat, so you bring fan to cool me down. You know, easy,
Fan.
yeah?
Oh, God, man. I
You
know.
like it?
Yes, sister, I know what you like. I already do. You see it?
Yeah.
So yesterday soon come?
Then, from when she said she left and she said she soon come back, I'll know.
Because tonight I come again no more and come go me now to you know, girl. Boy, I'm glad to see you though.
And then my boy got us singing in my ears, so.
Mr. Girl, no, stop.
See my sister here.
Are your sister that girl?
Yeah, I see my sister.
I sis.
I'm a sister and a rich man. Awa.
Yes.
No, girl, I'm an ex, this your girl.
Yeah. What she a do that?
babes.
You know
What
what
a girl
I'm
you
saying?
really are.
meet your sister already, girl. It's a girl, your sister.
Hold on, me nearly bust this girl ass for the road now because
Lord
let's
Jesus,
walk.
no.
Let's
Sister,
walk.
you are
What
Amaria.
a
Come
correct.
like a
I'm
star.
friend.
Sister.
No, this a friendship. I feel a break up.
Stalk,
Me and she are no
Girl,
friend.
you know me, I come
No, you have to live.
No, me have to hear this.
No,
really a sister this girl.
look
Right now, me
here.
don't know how to beat you, no, cause I am a friend.
You have to live. Come live.
The boy left me for this girl, you know. They are
I
good
think
friends.
she a
Follow me,
girl,
you
not
can't
to
tell.
reach.
Yeah,
Listen,
and your sister
my
girl, me never
sister.
grow.
Me can't stay in this confusion. See that girl chosen to come like a stalk. She a stalk me, you know. Everywhere me there, she there.
Stalk who? Nobody can stalk you. Me a
Chosen.
stalk you. Me not stalk you.
Jesus
Look at
Christ.
idiot boy.
Yes,
Girl, the boy give me bun. The boy give me bun. Kind
Yes,
of him
everyone
been a
me
talk to your sister, then him come break up with your girl. And big things. The boy have on the road. Dirty boy.
Come out of me yard and I can't stand up.
Come out, come out.
Come out of me yard.
Boy, me don't want to
Look here, it's one and all.
Lord Jesus.
You feel like you're run.
me talk to you. No talk to you. Come to the
Sister,
phone.
by your friend, take her out of me yard. You feel like you're run. But you know how to be. You feel like you're run.
Chosen, I'm a friend. I am a sister. I'm your chosen got
You have to
school
believe
together,
me,
you know.
Sister.
I see all you.
Yes,
I don't want to
tell you, my
You
sister.
tell me about if you change up my folly grounds and all of what. You see for your folly grounds now
Look
reach
where-
in my yard. Eh? Strangle
him, sister.
Strangle him. Your folly grounds reaching on my yard.
Strangle him.
That's your folly grounds reaching on my yard.
Squeeze him. Squeeze him, ball, sister.
Squeeze him. Lift up, man. Lift up and let me show you how your money is.
Go on in the bus. Go on in the bus and go on, yeah.
And make sure it's done, drive for the start.
I hope you know how to pick up the girl, you know.
She can't down here. There's one back
Tell us if you this me now. Me tell us if you this him.
Me say, you see if he ever come back and call me, but
say me
the
not-
girl a trail him. Girl a trail
Oh,
me.
stalker.
Marginal. Oh no, stalker. Him a stalker. Come in now,
You go pop out your testicles, you know. Pop you out. But you know, use the again.
I second time me hear that talk about him testicles. What make a this so you want to pop out?
But me tell you to squeeze him balls. I'm not
What
pop
make you
out.
want me to squeeze him balls?
I'm pop out your testicles.
You're not supposed to have no business on my balls.
I hit the problem.
Let me fight the girl and nobody go on.
I did tell you the problem.
You see all him to us.
Tell him, hey, you said that cracking them, crack them.
See him for the grounds reaching on my yard.
This one, yeah. It's a Johnny. It's a Johnny.
Me just
You promise all I will so all I want to
What you mean all out with something for land?
Christ.
No. It sound like you have something to explain.
I know, man. I slip more,
Well,
man. I think all we are fight together, you know? Come on, sister, come we go in here, so.
Falan, I promise you, Falan.
See, shut your dash away.
Falan, he promise you something.
No, sister. I want we are fight together.
So your mouth can slip so often.
You know, so come on, man.
Remember that day when time it come? Yesterday. I don't know when I lock up in our house in a Falan. At that time he promise you something.
Girl, me tell you, say son did hot. And it's at a blowing our place.
Son did hot. If phone or I son did hot. Which one of them did hot? I phone or I son did hot, Falan.
You don't want
You
to
know what?
chosen, but you walk out fly for me.
No, me and your sister, you fi help me beat girl a road.
So me not shoot out the girl out of the yard.
You see anything in the dark, it must come to life.
Me not say we are about the girl again, you know, sister.
I make sure I say everything good as me go call mommy and me go tell mommy.
Sister, call mommy
me
and
no
tell
know how
mommy
your
now.
mouth they flip so often.
I slip.
Me left all the fun out that door by man give me to cool down.
Come cool down me,
Cool
yeah.
down me and you. This now go share for me and you cause me
Come,
no
sister,
like
cause
that.
you see me no want to me bust the girl head with the padlock, you know. Come on.
That's to me a fight for me and the wife.